Kind of disperse into all these different philosophical areas. Ideas like animism and hylozoism actually is a philosophy I didn't mention.
Yeah, and then that's a prime example now because we see where there's an imperfection, there's an inefficiency of one idea in philosophy is realism. Realism postulates that abstract ideas, concept, and knowledge are innate and independent of sensory perception. Empiricism now is a philosophy that opposes this by positing that abstract idea.
The fourth is grandiosity, and the fifth one is pathological compulsion. You have impulsivity, you have distractibility, you have
or the punchline or what laughter derives from is predicated on. So I started publishing 3 books simultaneously. The whole objective was to publish these books in papers.
You traveled so much. Mm-hmm. What's your favorite place you've been to?
None. I appreciate each place for what it has to offer.
Any highlights? Any highlights?
So this is real stuff I find intriguing.
Right. Well, yeah, it's infinitely intriguing
because
you can't really ever know the answer.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.